Something interesting happened this week. OpenAI and Anthropic are still software subscription companies, but this week they started acting more like Palantir, not just selling software, but sending teams into enterprise to make the software actually work. Anthropic announced an enterprise AI services company. OpenAI is reportedly working on something similar. The finance details are not the interesting part. The interesting part is the admission underneath it. If AI were truly like plug and play softwares, the biggest AI labs would not need teams going into companies to make it work. Customers would just buy the API, connect it, and move on. But that is not what happens. The demo works, the benchmark works, the board presentation works, then real life shows up. Can this touch customer data? Can it call internal tools? Can we audit what it did? Can we stop it from leaking secrets? Can we measure whether it is actually getting better? That is where AI stops being magic and starts becoming infrastructure. And you can see the whole market moving there. AWS is talking about agent quality loops. GitHub is moving copilots towards usage-based billing. New companies are launching their agent sandboxes, MCP security, endpoint protection. This is all the boring stuff, but boring is the signal. Cloud got boring before it got huge. Payment got boring before they became infrastructure. Data got boring before every company depended on it. I think agents are entering that phase now. The bottleneck is now moving from intelligence to integration to adoption. So if you are building an AI product, maybe the question is not how do I make a better demo? Maybe the question is what is the painful last mile nobody wants to deal with? Because that might be where the real company is.